Boys, it's a great day to be alive. Not only am I dropping the craziest shit you've ever seen in crypto, but oh my God, I've been working on this shit for 2 years, and I'm on the fucking moon. Just listen. That's how I'm feeling. Anyways, boys, I have been building an app. Now, this app has taken me 2 fucking years to get to this point. And I know a lot of you are probably like, what the fuck? That's a long ass time. Yeah, you're damn right. You know how long I've had to keep this idea in my fucking head? You know how long I've had to sit there and think, oh damn, if only someone would make this app, if only someone did this in crypto, it would change the space forever. You know how long I had to sit there with that fucking idea in my brain before something clicked like, oh, nobody else is gonna do it. I need to do it. And you know what? That's exactly what I fucking did. When I tell you the app that I am launching in the next few weeks is gonna absolutely change the fucking game, I mean that shit. When you see the app, right, because we're in beta right now, you understand. You have never in your life seen the shit that we have cooked up. It's one of those things, we're in 2026 now. You can literally do anything you want. And honestly, the trading game has been kept off for way too long. The big dogs have been fucking taking advantage of you, choking you by the neck, fucking you every single chance they get. And it needs someone like me, Cameron motherfucking George, to come into the game and change this shit. I am about to flip the script, and honestly, I think this app, no bullshit, I think these fucking billionaires and millionaires, I don't think they're gonna like me, because I am about to flip the fucking script, and you guys will understand here shortly. But I wanted to launch this as a video to kind of kick off the month. The next few weeks are gonna be some of the biggest months I've ever done in terms of trading and in terms of launching a product. I've never done something at this scale. And if you want to participate in the public beta and also have access to the app when it launches to the public, then be on the Instagram. I'll post all my updates there, and we're launching the name and the title and everything here soon. I know this video is a little bit of a tease. I've been teasing for so long, but trust me, the wait is going to be worth it. I have never had this many people excited for a fucking product that they have no idea what I've been cooking. But it's almost like one of those things where I haven't promoted fucking shit. Like, you guys watch me and you don't see me promoting any fucking, prop firm or any of that shit. I literally have been trading on the same place for the last 4 or 5 years, and that is the motherfucking Instagram. That is all I have been doing. So I think you guys understand when I put my neck out and I sit here and I'm telling you this is a fucking crazy product. You guys listen and you understand that I really mean what I'm talking about. I put my heart and soul into this project, and when I say that genuinely at the end of the day, I believe that this is going to change people's lives and the way that people trade in crypto, I 100% mean that. I am so fucking excited, boys. The next video you see from me on this channel in terms of this app will be the launch trailer, and my, oh my, do we have some big plans. We are not stopping, full steam ahead. I know this road is gonna bring challenges. I know that shit's gonna break and there's gonna be a lot of stuff. I mean, even the big companies can't fucking avoid this stuff, right? I mean, fuck YouTube, TikTok, X, everything's down every single fucking day, it feels like at this point. But this has been a dream of mine for literally years, and it is so crazy that we're at this point. And my God, bro, I use this app every fucking day, and it genuinely is such a crazy, it is a crazy powerful tool. But yeah, I love you boys. I'm so excited. And until then, just listen. Oh my God, I'm in the flow state right now. Talk about 15-hour days. Non-stop looking at the screen. Non-stop fixing problems. Non-stop coordinating with the team. Non-stop fucking grinding. You want millions of dollars? You gotta fucking never sleep. You gotta lock the fuck in. You wanna be rich? You wanna be rich as fuck? You got to do everything that the fucking normies don't do. And that means locking the fuck in. I'm so hyped. I love you guys. I'll see you on the Instagram.